It's Saturday, June 10th. We had a great crowd on the sidewalk this morning for Worldwide Knit in Public Day. Sorry for those of you who were unable to make it. We had a great time. The weather was spectacular. It was breezy and lovely from 9 to 12. It was so fun. Lots of people walking by, lots of people asking what we were doing. Lots and lots of dogs, lots of dogs. Anyway, it was a great day. I want to tell you today about Birds of Faith, the shawl pins. I have several. They're all the same price. They're $24.95. They're beautiful. I have them in several different colors. They each have a different bead and a different design on top. So this one is the ivory colored one with sort of a green Murano glass bead and a silver top. This is a red with, I love this red polka dot bead and the marcasite bead on the top and in the middle. It'll look great on a white, black, or whatever shawl. This one is lovely. This is on a nice dark brown stick in a celadon sort of porcelain, excuse me, porcelain bead. Should have had a sip of water before I did this. This is on a dark brown with a sort of a periwinkle with an amber bead on the top and the bottom, little silver on top. Love that. This is another ivory with a green and black Murano beads with a little pink. Love that. This is a blonde stick with a little shape on it. Sort of a green and lime colored bead. Love that. This is another blonde stick with a purple top. Got to have some purple. I have several more that I'm not showing. I have a bunch. I'm not showing them all to you, but anyway, giving you a good sampling of what she has done with Beads of Faith. We also have longer ones. These two are $24.95. These really work well as shawl pins if you have a very open weave shawl, but these are also great hair sticks. Now, mind you, I have never had hair long enough to put in a bun, to put a stick in it, but it looks beautiful when all of you that do have long hair can do that. I've never been able to grab my hair up, put it in a knot, and stick a stick in it. But anyway, we have lots of them, so beautiful, and thank you for Beads of Faith for keeping us in stock. Let's see. Hi, tomorrow's Sunday. It's going to be beautiful. So sorry. Don't know what that's all about. Anyway, think we're going to have a pool or lake day tomorrow. It's going to be hot, and the kids are coming from Asheville, so a little dip in the water might feel pretty good in the afternoon. Tomorrow is Sunday. Have a peaceful, prayerful, family-filled or not, quiet, whatever you need to rejuvenate and renew yourself and get ready for next week. So anyway, I am getting ready to go out of town next Tuesday. I will not be doing videos Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday. I'm going to the mountains with 8 of my junior high school friends. What? Yeah. Longtime friends. And we're from all over the United States, and we get together every couple of years. So we're going to have a good time. What goes on in the mountains when we're all together stays in the mountains, right? Whatever. All right. I will see you Monday. Have a great Sunday.